take a minute before starting this video and flex your muscle. Feels pretty good, right? The reason you can move your muscle is actually because of carboxylic acid. This type of functional group is present on amino acids and is the reason we can build proteins like actin and myosin, which are responsible for muscle movement. Carboxylic acid are also found in fats in our body, metabolic products, and are used in a wide range of manufacturing industries such as textile, plastic, and rubber. In fact, you probably have some carboxylic acid in your cupboard right now if you have vinegar, and some sitting on your bathroom sink if you have hand soap. Carboxylic acid are more versatile than you might think. In this video, we discuss about the chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Let's dive into the topic. We will start with the reaction where the cleavage of C bond OH is involved. One such example is when carboxylic acid is heated with mineral acids such as H2SO4 or with P2O5 to give corresponding anhydrides. In this type of reaction, carboxylic acid are also esterified with alcohol or phenol in presence of a mineral acid such as concentrated H2SO4 or HCl gas as a catalyst. The esterification of carboxylic acid with alcohol is a kind of nucleophile acyl substitution reaction. Here, the protonation of carbonyl oxygen activates the carbonyl group towards nucleophilic addition of alcohol. Proton transfer in the tetrahedral intermediate convert the hydroxyl group into OH2 group, which being a better leaving group is eliminated as neutral water molecule. The protonated ester so formed finally loses a proton to give an ester. Yet another method is by the reaction of carboxylic acid with PCl5, PCl3 or SOCl2. Here, the hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid is easily replaced by chlorine atom. Here, thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, is preferred because the other two products are gaseous and escape during the reaction mixture, making the purification of the compound easier. On the other hand, carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia to give ammonium salt, which on further heating at high temperature gives amide. Carboxylic acid also undergoes reaction involving COOH group where it is reduced to primary alcohol by lithium aluminium hydride or better with diborane. Carboxylic acid also loses carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbon when their sodium salts are heated with sodamide, that is NaOH and CaO in the ratio of 3:1. The reaction is known as decarboxylation. Alkali metals of carboxylic acid also undergoes decarboxylation on electrolysis of their aqueous solution and form hydrocarbons having twice the number of carbon atoms present in the alkyl group of the acid. The reaction is known as Klob's electrolysis method. Now, let's discuss the reaction where the substitution happens in the hydrocarbon part of the carboxylic acid. In this type of reaction, carboxylic acid having an alpha hydrogen are halogenated at the alpha position on treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halocarboxylic acids. The reaction is known as Helmholtz-Zielinski reaction. On the other hand, aromatic carboxylic acid undergo electrophilic substitution reaction in which the carboxylic acid group acts as a deactivating and a meta-directing group. They, however, do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because the carboxylic acid is deactivating and the catalyst aluminum chloride gets bonded to the carboxylic group. Now, can you give plausible explanation on why during the preparation of ester from a carboxylic acid and an alcohol in the presence of an acid catalyst, the water or the ester should be removed as soon as it is formed? Well, try to figure out. Now, let's summarize what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.